unbelievable. Everybody is still alive. I can't believe it. But my sissy Dickus, not a happy camper. But apart from that, spirits are high this morning. Marco, lekker geslaap. So yeah, coffee is on. Yeah, but it's part of the fun and games, man. Stefan, is jy happy?
Happy like a chappie.
En niemand het nog longontsteking nie, so ver nie. Ja, nou hoes almal. Now everybody is hoesing. Ja. Check. That is what's left of the potjie. So now, lekker brown bread. Lekker brown bread and leftover potjie. It's going to taste even better this morning. So let me tell you, there's a lot of comments on the rain video. Ja, kry vir julle bliksems. You know what? You know what? You can nye till the cows come home. You were not here. You're not part of the fun. So you know what, nee. I want to say F off, but all the haters, I hope you get chest pains because we are living large. We are enjoying ourselves. Check here, man. Check here. Check here. This is more lekker. So get your chest pains and come with your negativity. We don't care. This was moerse lekker. Fun, memories, moerse stories to tell. Even to the grandchildren one day. Man, loving this back to basics. Dickus says this is back to chaos. He's not a happy camper. You know these banana boykies, nee, that get so used to their luxury and their soft lives that once, and this is not even hard life. This is just a little bit of Sisinyana metsi, little bit of water. Crying. He's like almost like, why did I say yes to come on this?
Exactly.
He wants to take a Patco bus to Pretoria.
Pikkewynbel.
Pikkewyn kom haal vir Dickus. Hy's happy nie. And then some beautiful camel horses. Hunters Road. Camel horses. Check how beautiful. Blokkie bokkies. Ja. And a baby blokkie bokkie. Beautiful, beautiful. If you want to know how much water there is on Hunters Road now, that tree that's standing in the water, usually we camp around that tree, or sometimes we just, where this water is here, this is where we sometimes camp. I can't believe the amount of water that there is now currently on Hunters Road. Moer, but check this beautiful pan with all of these leadwoods standing with their feet in the water. More, this is beautiful. Dickus, now we back to basics, mos man.
Yeah, no braai.
Listen, ons gaan nou braai. We're gonna braai now. But I wish I can show you what it looks like behind us, nee? Mother's hair, black and blue skies. Wat mean Dickus? We back to basics now, lekker man.
Ek stuur alweer.
Ons gaan nou kamp opslaan, Dickus.
Ek skryf oor die chalet.
Dickus is chalet tonight.
Skryf oor die double bed. Sorry man.
But listen, all fun and games, man. This is lekker. Sometimes life happens, sometimes it rains, and sometimes it pours. Yes, it's coming down in buckets now. And we just wanted to stop now for a braai. But maybe we're gonna get opportunity for a braai now. Not. Yeah.
As nou braai ons lekker.
Nou gaan ons lekker kamp. Lekker slaap alweer in die bakkie vanaand. I love this shit, man. Man, I love this.
Die skoene is nog eens droog van gisterand af.
Dink ek hier nou gooi hy. Proper, hier staan die water al.
En die sien af voor.
Nou, en weer lig op. Smile, hulle neem foto's dikkers.
Ek kan smile nie meer.
Dikkers is meer happy. Lekker wyn kom haal hom.
Nou. Kom kry op
Hy gaan die hele groep negatief maak. And there you can see it, ne? That's the reason we chose Panda Rest Camp for tonight. Bliksem. Listen, it's raining liters per minute, not millimeters. Check the water. Check here. Dikkers, let's go put tent up. Kom ons gaan sit die tent op. Massa harre. Now it's gooiing. So guys and girls, this is why we Panda Rest Camp. This is not play. This is serious rain. Yeah. So I just want to show we are still camping. I don't know, maybe we're gonna braai in the rain again tonight, ne? But braai we're gonna braai. I've got a lekker rippietjie, but tonight we're braaiing at the penis pool. Check hierdie Johnny. Check hierdie Johnny. There's the kahunas. And there. Man, I wish you can see this from the top. But still camping. Camping and glamping. But ons gaan nou braai. The fire is cooking. So tell me, what is a stop in Pandamatenga, ne? Without Hills Coffee Shop. I can never ever drive past this Johnny. So let me show you what we're making today. So now just check this Johnny here. Full barista, ne? And this morning I'm trying hot chocolate. Kimunati Kaufela hot chocolate. And right up aside the road, ne? Trucks are stopping. Trans-Africa stopping. So yeah, let's do hot chocolate and coffee. Except for my sissy Dikkers. He ate 7 maguinas now. He can't fit coffee in. 7 maguinas. Huh? 7 maguinas down the pile. Check. Kialeboara. Sure. Hot chocolate. So yeah, let's drink coffee. Arrivari. So there in front, you see that? That looks promising. That maybe looks like a boom braai. But let's get closer. Let's go check. Dikkers, hier ry woes. Why you drive like that, man, Dikkers, man? You can't drive like that, man, Dikkers, man. Okay, you can leave now, Dikkers, man. Right, so kom ons kyk of hierdie boom, if it gives koelte, if it gives shade. So maybe we can braai. Now that is a bushmaster in action. Now check that lekker donkey long blou pipe, ne? That thing, just don't pull air through it. Yes.
Otherwise you'll get high.
You'll get passed out, man.
Don't get high.
But that thing, I promise you, that blow pipe Johnny. Daai ding, it works. And this mopping is a little bit wet because we've been camping in the hurricanes of Botswana of lately. We've survived 3 hurricanes and 4 tornadoes, but did we die? No, we did not. But now we're gonna braai. And check now, daar lê ons. There's our meat in the sun. So I'm most probably gonna get some. But anyways, let's braai. Guess what? Braaiing in the rain again. This is the theme of this tour, is braaiing and potjie in the rain. But don't worry boys, 5 minutes.
5 more minutes.
Only 5 more minutes, then it's done.
Potjie's the best. What a nose when we light the fire.
Check there.
Every time we light the fire.
Yes, light the fire, rain comes. Kyk out, daar's the whole huis spat aar there under the awning. Julle huis spat aar. How's golden years? But let me just show you where we are braaiing, né? This, if you know where this is, né, you are a well and seasoned traveler of Botswana. And no, this is not Hunter's Road. And no, it's not where you think it is, I promise you. I promise you don't know where this is, but this is between somewhere, Saint somewhere, and if you go that way, you go to Saint nowhere. So, the only tree in 150 kilometer radius, né? We are using this for a boombraai today. If the rain is going to give us a chance. But check here. Lekker moppenie. Botswana moppenie. So yeah.
Check of our plug and I boom is.
Yeah, and this is not one of those solar trees, Dukkas. You can't plug into this, Johnny. Ha ha! Yeah. Afatay. Cut line braai, papa. Cut line braai. En kyk daar, die Johnny's word weer blou. Weather app said no rain. But I see the Johnny's are gathering again. 5 minutes, boys. 5 minutes. I must even, this is home baked or camp baked bread, né? It came out of that Johnny. And they even made a braai broodjie, proper. Check. There's another braai broodjie. The first time I see somebody make a braai broodjie of bread they have baked themselves. In the veld, my bro. Let's do two master chefs, né?
Bushbroodjie.
Listen, kom na die kou fella, guys. Rarig. Now I've seen it all. Maar hierdie ribbietjie. Hierdie ribbietjie. Dukkas gaan my bene aflek. Kyk hoe gatvol lyk hy alweer. Dukkas, the people inbox me say, why do Dukkas like so gatvol? Huh? Luckily they can't hear that. But anyways, let's braai. And then ever so often we find unbelievable hidden gems in Botswana, deep, 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 where the cut lines almost end. We find hidden gems like this. I wish I can tell you the serenity of this place. Huh, Dukkas? How beautiful is this? And lion tracks by the hundreds. But check here. There's some big giraffe tracks here. But check this beautiful little river. Not running currently. But man, this is as beautiful as Botswana gets. There's all the choppers waiting to cross here. Little bit of an obstacle course, but we'll be on our merry way just now. But man, this place is beautiful. I'm gonna come back here when it's not rainy season, and I'm gonna go camp right there. I can't wait. I can't wait, man. Bliksem, this is beautiful. But yeah, upwards and forwards. Let's rock and roll. Yeah, almost got caught by this little piece of water. Check that cruiser. Check that cruiser. Check that cruiser. Hey, hey! Cruiser, papa. Listen. So proud of Cinderella. Even Cinderella made it. So let's go, let's go. Yo. Too much action, eh? I check you're sleeping with elephants tonight. Lots and lots of different tracks. But what? Kyk, this Johnny. Hy die weggetrek 2x4, this elephant. He pulled away 2x4, this elephant. But what a spectacular sunset at a spectacular little dam. Check your camel horse, kameelperd, jackal, these jakkalspore. I'm sure we're gonna find lion tracks as well here. Hyena. There's some hyena tracks. Yep. Check here. Hyena tracks. Elephant tracks. Beautiful hyena tracks here. This is a wild place. Let's call it a night. Let's braai. So this is what we called home last night. Dick is still soaking up the morning embers of the fire, né, Dickus?
Correct.
So beautiful little shanty town. Boys are packing up. Me and Dickus are gonna pack up now. But what an incredible lekker. And we were kept busy last night by the elephants and the hyenas. Lekker water in the cut line. But yeah, just chilling for a few minutes. And then Dickus is going to start breaking up our camp. Nee, Dickus?
Camp is klaar gebruik.
So, unbelievable back to basics tour. Will I do it again? Hell yes. Any day, any time. Next one, this year, watch this space. We're doing this again. Maybe a little bit of a different route, same concept. This was extremely lekker. Lot of rain, but lekker. So yeah, Kasane, next stop. Let's go.